Guys, welcome back to the channel Global Immigrations and Visas News. In this video, we will discuss about the massive job opportunities in Netherlands with visa sponsorship for international applicants. Netherlands is a country located in northwestern Europe, also known as Holland. It is also considered one of the best and economically strong countries of the whole European Union. The whole population of Netherlands is 17.44 million and the currency is euro. The GDP of Netherlands is expected to reach 1200 billion US dollar by the end of 2022. Guys, here we are going to share with you the best available options to start your international professional career in the best organizations and companies of Netherlands, which are facing a severe shortage of manpower right now, and this process will continue to hire the international employees till the end of 2023. So before we begin, if you are new to this channel, please hit the like button and press the bell icon to subscribe to this channel, where you will get detailed and updated information about the latest immigration policies, international jobs, news of all major destinations including UK, USA, Canada, Australia and much more. Guys, the Dutch labor shortage continues to worsen. That is why the government of Netherlands announced visa sponsorship jobs for 2023, and we believe it is a good time for those who do not have a job and want to move abroad to work. Currently, the news has been circulated that almost more than 10,000 visa sponsorship jobs in Netherlands are open to the international applicants. These jobs are open by the Dutch government, Dutch companies and international companies that work in the Netherlands. They are the approved companies and thousands of multinational employees have been working for these companies. Due to structural developments such as demographic aging due to the COVID-19 as well as the current economic situation going on around the world, many European countries are facing a huge shortage of employees. So applicants from around the world can apply for sponsorship jobs in Netherlands. We have tried to cover a detailed list of companies from the Netherlands that can sponsor your visa. These companies are called licensed sponsor companies, meaning they have the authority to get issued a visa for their employees. Guys, the sectors like IT, teaching, healthcare sector, engineers, ICT specialists, innovators in creative industries, healthcare specialists are high in demand and need immediate hiring of the relevant candidates regardless of their nationality. Guys, at number 1 we have got Relocate Me. The Relocate Me in Netherlands offer jobs with visa sponsorship as well as with relocation support across to the globe. It is one of Europe's top websites for find visa sponsorship job in any country in the Europe. In order to start your application, you can visit the website www.relocate.me. Guys, at number 2 we have got the Eurus job portal. Eurus job portal is offering 43,143 vacancies right now. Eurus is an official European government job portal that offers thousands of job opportunities in the Netherlands. If you want to look for a job in Netherlands with visa sponsorship, then Eurus is the best option. A huge and wide range of fields are available for international applicants and students. All applicants from around the world can apply in any field, any level, full-time, part-time, all options are available there. Guys, in order to start your application process, you can visit the website www.ec.europa.eu/Eurus/portal. Guys, at next we have Shell Netherlands job options. Everyone knows about Shell. Shell needs people with passion, people who want to make the future by providing more and cleaner energy solutions. Currently, Shell Netherlands has 162 open vacancies, including roughly 2,800 non-Dutch employees from around 80 countries. In order to start your application or to grab the information about Shell jobs, you can visit the website www.jobs.shell.com. Guys, then we have Philips Netherlands. Philips is a Dutch multinational company and its headquarters is in Amsterdam. Right now, Philips Netherlands is looking for nearly 11,000 people across the country and globe. In order to start your application, you can visit the website www.careers.philips.com/nl/en. Guys, similarly, Unilever Netherlands is also offering dozens of jobs to all nationals with visa sponsorship facility. In order to start your application, you can visit careers.unilever.com/Netherlands. Then we have KLM Netherlands. KLM Royal Dutch Airline is the flag carrier airline of Netherlands. By choosing a carrier with KLM, you will discover ample room for further professional development. In order to start your application, visit the website www.careers.klm.com. Guys, ING Netherlands also offering nearly 400 global career opportunities. How to and in order to start your applications, you guys can visit the website www.ing.jobs. Guys, similarly, we have got PwC job jobs in Netherlands, Orange Quarter jobs, Staffite jobs, MST Netherlands jobs, Optiver jobs, Booking.com jobs, IKEA jobs, Google jobs in Netherlands, and Apple Netherlands jobs are also available for the international applicants. Folks, that's all for now. If you want to stay updated on the latest development about immigration, visas, and international job opportunities with visa sponsorship facility of all major countries, then keep watching the channel Global Immigrations and Visas News. To give us a motivational support, like this video, subscribe it, and leave your questions in the comment section. Until the next video, take care and bye bye.